money online has never been easier than now. With the social media, online, and internet as a whole, my dear, if you are not making money right now, what's happening? What's really happening? Okay, so this video is going to show you easy ways for you, that lazy girly that doesn't want to work. Okay, you don't want to work physically, you don't want to go and be there physically, where you can make money online from your home. And seriously, this is a means of making money that has helped me a lot. A lot of my side income comes through these platforms, and many other people. In fact, it is hot cake now, and if you're not jumping on it now, you just know the way some of us missed the crypto trend. Okay, like we missed the crypto start trend, and then now we are like, okay, how do we get in, how do we get in? That's how you're going to be in the next 5 years. Okay, but if you hop on this right now, you're going to be counting your money down the line. Okay, so let's get straight into the video. And my dear, wait for number 4, because it is the juiciest. Okay, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Candid, and you are welcome to being Candid. Okay, here we talk about everything making money online, digital marketing, and how to ameliorate the platforms you already use in order to optimize it for money making. So today we shall be talking about different digital products that you can use to make money online. For those who don't know, what are digital products? Okay, these are products that aren't physical. You have them online. Okay, you have them soft copy, and you can sell and make money out of them. Why is this means of making money so lucrative? One, this is something you create once and you can sell to so many people. Okay, secondly, it is zero cost. It is zero cost because most of the time as a beginner, you create digital products from stuff you already know. Okay, using information you already have and using free platforms where you can start off. And of course, when you sell these things multiple times, they don't depreciate, it doesn't get finished, and you can sell it so many times. So my dear,
why are you not using this method to make money online? Okay,
so if you don't yet have a digital product, my dear, watch this video to the end and then see which best works for you and hop on it immediately. The first digital product you can sell is an ebook. Okay, what is an ebook? So this is a book you create, which is soft copy. Okay, this is a book, but it's not a physical book, it is a book in your laptop, soft copy online. Okay, and this book contains a breakdown of whatsoever information you know. Okay, so if you are good at cooking, you can make a recipe ebook teaching people how to cook different meals with recipes and everything. Okay, for example, me, a meal like achu. Okay, these are traditional meals that they don't have measurements, they don't have particular ingredients like four cocoa, 6 tablespoons of kanwa, and this. No, it is eyeballing with your African ancestral spirits guiding you. But not everybody can handle that. A lot of people might find it confusing working that way, and I've gotten so used to the system of having to measure things. So if you're so good at cooking this meal, you can one day take out the time to break down that your what you normally eyeball. Okay, you can eyeball the things into individual basis and then transvase it into actually measuring containers like into teaspoons or cups, and then create a broken down recipe and put into this recipe book. There it enables the person to always have a perfect outcome because all the ingredients are written and stated in a measure, like with measurements. Okay, so this is an example of what you can do. So whatsoever sector you're in, whatsoever thing you know. Okay, some people think that okay, you have to go and imagine something. My dear, it doesn't work like that. anything you know. If you know how to make your bed well, if you know how to make your bed hotel standard, you can make an ebook teaching people how to make their bed, be it with fitted sheets, be it with regular sheets, and showing different ways on how to maybe design the towels. You know, the way people fold towels or pillowcases into doves and into different shapes to make things beautiful. You can create an ebook out of that and sell. Okay, you sell to people who maybe work at motels, sell to people who have hotels, and they can use this maybe during their staff training to train their workers to be able to maintain the standard of their hotel. Like, my dear, anything, I mean anything can be sold. And of course, like I told you, you write this book once and you can sell it to so many people. So make sure you think about doing this. Secondly, you can sell stock photos. There are so many of us that take random pictures, okay, and random beautiful pictures at that. If you research a lot online, or if you do a lot of editing and all of that, you realize that there aren't a lot of stock photos for dark skin people. Okay, maybe when you want to create a flyer, or you want to design record a video, or edit a video, or anything, you would want to create a video that has people that reflect the audience you are talking to. You wouldn't want to put up a flyer advertising something and the person on that flyer is a white person, meanwhile all your clients are black. Okay, now you go online and you're looking for this stock photos, and my dear, I can tell you, because I edit and design stock a lot, there are few. Okay, they are really few. So if you're good at taking pictures and taking videos, you can then take random videos and pictures and upload it on different sites where you will be able to sell these stock photos, because there are definitely businesses that want to buy, businesses out of the country, out of Cameroon and internationally, which are black owned and will be looking for stock photos with black people in them. Okay, so my dear, stop wasting those pictures in your phone, stop stalking them for nothing, or putting them on your status and not doing anything about it. Use these your pictures to make extra cash for yourself. Okay, the next point is creating digital planners or printable planners. My dear, almost everybody uses a planner. Okay, be it physical, be it digital, people have to be able to track down their activities. In fact, when you reach a certain point in your life, it's not when you're young and just going by the day, going as the spirit leads. When you reach a certain point in your life, you definitely will need a planner, and this is something that cuts across every gender and everybody of a particular age upwards. Okay, like when you get matured to a certain point, you know that you have to start planning and you need planners. There are those that prefer writing physically, and there are those that prefer using it online. Okay, so you can create digital planners and printable planners. Okay, what you just need to do is, when you create these planners, you put them up on sites like Etsy, Amazon, and other platforms where people can easily buy these planners and print them out for usage. Like I said, these are products that you can reuse over and over and over. If you create a particular template of a planner for 2024, when it's 2025, you just have to go back and wipe the 4 and put 5, and you can sell it again. And at this point in time, you have the opportunity to edit and modify these planners for particular people or with particular themes. Okay, you can design a planner that is focused around maybe fertility, or maybe tracking your period. You can design a planner or diary which is around your schoolwork and all of that. You can design a planner which is best for entrepreneurs that are tracking their sales, tracking their income and all of that. Okay, and all of these are products that you can create once and sell multiple times to multiple people all around the world. Okay, it doesn't limit you to your country, it doesn't limit you to any geographical location. You can make money everywhere. My dear, why are you not doing that? If you have reached up to this point, I hope you are subscribed. Okay, my dear, I am putting in a lot of effort, a lot of energy, a lot of time to try to put these things together to help you out, okay, especially in this economy that is complicated. So please to support my channel, please just click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that whenever I put up a video, you will be informed and you will be able to help yourself grow and make some extra cash. Okay. Number 4, and my personal favorite, which I use very often, is selling online courses. My dear, like I said, you know how to do something. You are good at something already. So why don't you just package this into a broken down class that you can teach people? Selling online courses, really, it's a very lucrative means of income. And if you miss out on this, if you really miss out on this, or if you don't think about doing this, my dear, what's up? You have to know that when you're selling an online course, it is not limited to those in your country. You can put it up on platforms like Seller or Expressinier, and there are so many other platforms where you can put up these courses, and these courses are going to be available for people within your country and out of the country, and the payments go directly into your account. Okay, they go directly into your bank account or into your mobile money account after every client, or after a client purchases. So what you need to do is you get a topic you know you master, you know how to do very well, okay? Because whatsoever thing you know how to do, somebody else doesn't know how to do, and somebody else wants to learn how to do. You take out time, put up your camera or whatever, and record videos breaking down how to do these things into the simplest form possible. Okay, you upload these videos on platforms like Seller or even on Telegram, which is free, and then you advertise these videos. Okay, when you advertise these videos and people are interested, you bring them into your Telegram group, or you send them to the Seller platform where they are going to be able to attend these classes. And of course, you know that platforms like Telegram restrict people from downloading your content or using your videos and sharing it to other people that have not bought the class. Okay, so you can host it there, and there you will be able to easily make money online. Telegram is free. The information in your head is free. You already have it. Your phone or recording equipment is free because you already have a phone. If you're watching this video, lighting, we thank God we have sun. So what is the issue? What is the issue? Why are you complaining that you don't have an extra source of income? So my dear, if you want me to break down each of these things on how exactly to do it, how to design an ebook, how to create a printable planner, how to create an online course, you let me know down in the comment section, because of course I don't want to take our time creating videos that you guys are not interested in watching. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the exact platforms that you can use to get these things for free, and even those that are payable, telling you guys which is better than which, and the advantage and the different advantages and disadvantages, so that you can make your choices and you would have a step-by-step guide showing you how to start all these different things. Okay, so if this was interesting, I hope that you have subscribed, you are going to like this video, and of course drop a comment below letting me know what you're interested in knowing more, and I'm going to drop a video. Okay,